Forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet and the winds long to play with your hair. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. To me, a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Leave the road, take the trails. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. For most of history, man has had to fight nature to survive. In this century he is beginning to realize that, in order to survive, he must protect it. To forget how to dig the earth and to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. Preserve and cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child. Colors are the smiles of nature. Land really is the best art. Many eyes go through the meadow, but few see the flowers in it. Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. The goal of life is to make your heartbeat match the beat of the universe, to match your nature with nature. The earth is what we all have in common. Although we say mountains belong to the country, actually, they belong to those that love them. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. The world is not to be put in order. The world is order. It is for us to put ourselves in unison with this order. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. Time spent amongst trees is never wasted time. If we surrendered to Earth's intelligence, we could rise up rooted, like trees. The richness I achieve comes from nature, the source of my inspiration. Plant seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love. It will all come back to you in abundance. This is the law of nature. Between every two pines there is a doorway to a new world. Life sucks a lot less when you add mountain air, a campfire and some peace and quiet. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. Looking at beauty in the world is the first step of purifying the mind. Love the world as your own self, then you can truly care for all things. Should you shield the canyons from the windstorms, you would never see the true beauty of their carvings. We still do not know 1,000% of what nature has revealed to us. Going to the mountains is like going home. Just living is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. My father considered a walk among the mountains as the equivalent of church-going. Man's heart away from nature becomes hard. I took a walk in the woods and came out taller than the trees. If you wish to know the divine, feel the wind on your face and the warm sun on your hand. Congratulations on listening to these powerful quotes. Subscribe to our channel for access to all our transformational videos. One of the strongest ways to bring about the life that you want is by writing down your affirmations. Take a moment to post your affirmations in the comments below. Then comment on at least 2 other people's affirmations and impressions. Give hope and encouragement to others as we become one people.